Dave here, how are you? I'm going to open up this B300K battery from Bluetti, and basically this is an unboxing, but we'll go through quickly, and in a month's time I will get back to you and let you know what I think of this battery. Here we go. Box in a box. Keep this one. If you need to send this back for warranty or anything like that, or transporting it and it's going to be shipped somewhere, this is the box you do it in. Warranty card, instructions. Keep these as well, don't throw them away. This is the 90 amp cable. It can be used with the B300 and the B300K, not the B300S, okay? There we go. It has an on-off button here, and it's on. One interesting thing, this does not have a charging port. This must be charged by an AC of some sort, AC 300 to AC 500. I'm not sure yet of the compatibilities with the other chargers that Bluetti have. So it has charge indicator lights, it has a USB-A 12 watt out, and it has an on-off button. On one end there's nothing. I think there's some ventilating things at that end, and at this end it has a pair of connections. So these are the 90 amp connections, these ones down here. There's two of them side by side, so you can hook straight up on its own, and you can piggyback out of this one into another one. There we go. There's not much to it, is there? So I will get back to you in a month's time after I've used it. See what I think of it.